Hello everyone, today we will be talking about boAt Watch Xtend, but before we begin, let's have a look at the box first. So as you can see, the box of a very nice black color. There's a big image of the watch right over here. You can see it provides you with a 4.3 centimeter full touch display. It has a stress monitor as well. It provides you with customizable watch faces. And moving on, you can see it has real-time notifications and vibration alerts. It has 5 ATM dust, sweat and splash resistant. It has a menstruation cycle tracker, that's pretty cool. It provides you with 14 sports mode with automatic motion recognition, and it is compatible with Android 6 and above and iOS 9 and above. It provides you with ambient light display, guided meditative breathing, heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep monitor. So without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. There you go. So as you can see, there's our main unit right over here. Let me just take it out for you. So there's our main unit right over here, and as you can see, it's of a very nice black and golden color. You can see the straps are of black color and the frame is of very nice golden color. You can see that the buckle is also of golden color, and it's a pretty elegant looking watch. But for now, I'll just keep it aside and I'll talk about other things present in the box. Moving on, in this package you'll find a charging cable. Let me just take it out for you. So as you can see, you can just connect this USB port to any charging adapter and you can start off with the charging. This goes right over here. You can see a 2-pin right over here and it goes right in there. There you go. Let me just open it for you and show it to you more properly. There you go. Moving on, you will find a 1-year manufacturer warranty card. And going further, you will notice a boAt head sticker, and I think this is a Alexa setup guide right over here. Moving on, I think this looks like an advertisement card for boAt. You can see that they have been sponsored for Lakme Fashion Week and Sunburn, so I think it's a advertisement for that. And lastly, you have, I think this looks like a user manual. Yeah, this is a user manual right over here. So that's all folks. This is what you'll find in the box of boAt Watch Xtend. Thank you so much for watching the video.